Hello gorgeous, I hope you're having a lovely day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. Not wearing any makeup yet. I mean, lip balm and brows are done, but that doesn't count, right? Because, drumroll please, because I'm gonna be reviewing a brand new Revolution Pro Goddess Glow collection. I have a little description about each product so we can proper review that and use it, obviously. First thing we have in here is this brush set. It's called Goddess Glow Brush Collection, an edit of a best-selling synthetic makeup brushes with stunning tortoise effect handle and copper detailing. Brushes looks nice, it's extra soft. Love the handle. Handle is plastic, it's kind of see-through. I'm not sure if you guys can see this through a camera lens. Two face brushes and then 3 eyeshadow brushes. So one is like a stiff brush, like, you know, just to place the shimmer to the place, and then a blending brush and the brow eyeliner brush. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really a fan of the brushes so far. Quality wise, it's not the brushes that I would normally go for. So I have these two Goddess Glow Cream Highlighters in color Amaze and Alright. So it says light reflecting cream highlighter to give a skin a shimmery glow with a soft cushion pad applicator for buildable coverage and on-the-go application. This sounds amazing. The other thing I have in here is the Goddess Glow Shimmer Brick in the color Sublime. So it's bronze and highlight shimmer brick to give skin a shimmering glow, highly pigmented and perfect for on-the-go. Absolutely love it. Packaging looks amazing, you guys. So pretty, right? Wow. Okay, we're gonna try it all soon. I have more products. So another thing I have in here is called Goddess Glow Eye Quad. So the eyeshadow palette, I have a shade Sunkissed. So they say it's ultimate eye look eyeshadow quad, 4 highly pigmented and blendable shades to suit any skin tone. Sounds amazing, right? Love it. It has a mirror as well. Shades looks amazing, you guys. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I have one more item in here. It's the Goddess Glow Lip Oil with jojoba, cherry, and raspberry oil. We need to try this. Love the packaging. Know that I love a good lippy, good lip product. Love the band, application band. This is like band, so it kind of should hug the lips. Smells so nice. Oh my god, wow. So I don't have enough product to do a full-on makeup look, so I'm gonna start from, you know, using other products to do a base and all, and then we can try those products. I'm gonna start from the Revolution Pro Self Focus Primer SPF 50. Love, love, love this. Gonna quickly prep and prime my eyelids. So for that I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. Gonna quickly set this up with the Revolution Pro Protect Translucent Setting Powder. Next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna apply the foundation. I really love this Revolution Pro CC Perfecting Foundation with SPF 30, but it's not my shade, it's far too light. Actually, any Revolution foundation that I have is wrong shade, so I'm not gonna use any of these today, but these are my favorites by Revolution. It's just a skin tone at the moment, doesn't match any, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna go and mix NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in Natural in Medium Olive. Gonna quickly lightly powder my face. Not gonna apply too much powder or anything because we're gonna be using cream highlighter later. I'll start from my cream highlighters first. The Goddess Glow Cream Highlighter. I have 2 shades. I have a Blaze and a Light. Let's just do a quick swatch just to see how it looks. So this shade called a Blaze. So I keep pressing and I'm like, why it doesn't work? Because we have like a little button in here for on off. On. Off. Okay, ready. Ooh, Loving this. Wow, literally. Wow, wow, wow. And then another shade I have in here is called A Light. Okay, a Blaze has more like a pinkish tone to it, rather than A Light has more of a golden. So I think I'm gonna go for golden one and choose the A Light. Loving this. So far, this is amazing. Like, I'm gonna quickly highlight I'm using the upper lace for this. Next thing I want to try is this Goddess Glow Shimmer Brick. Love, love, love the packaging, you guys. It's just so pretty. So we have 4 shades in total. 4 of each. Like that. So you can literally go, you know, shade by shade, or you can mix it up. Oh, you guys. Wow. Oh my goodness me. Okay, this is extremely intense. We could literally contour with this, but I think I'm gonna just contour quickly face with a different powder, and then we can highlight with this on the top. So this is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna quickly contour with Revolution Pro Crystal Luxe palette. I'm gonna use this blush as well. I'm gonna use this and this. I think I'm just gonna go with this shade because I don't want it to be super intense. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's all I can say. Wow. I'm like speechless. This is actually amazing. You could use this as a highlighter, as a bronzer, and as an eyeshadow. Let's try the eyeshadow and the lippy, and then we're done. Let's check this Goddess Go the Eye Quad eyeshadow palette. This one is in the Sun Kiss. It has like a little sparkle detail as well. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. We got 4 shades. Just quickly swatches. It's pretty. Wow, you guys. Okay, let's create a makeup look. So I'm gonna start from this shade, middle and inner eye corner, and then outer corner I'm gonna go with this. Guys, this is extremely pigmented. Okay, so for a lower lash line, I'm just gonna go with a golden shade. I actually really love that this eyeshadow doesn't have any fallouts and it's a shimmer. Usually with shimmers you would have like a full face of fallouts, but not with this, so this is amazing. Time for mascara, so I'm just gonna use the Revolution 5D Lash Lift Mascara. Okay, let's use the lighter shade for the brow arch and inner eye corner. Okay, so the lipping we have is the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Lip Oil with jojoba, cherry, and raspberry oil. Oh, it smells so nice, you guys. Ugh. Wow. Love this. Feels amazing on the lips. Okay, I'll let this soak in. And then I'm gonna go with the lippy. The lippy I'm gonna use is a Rockstar Hydrating Lip Shine. But so far, oh my god, this is how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna apply the Rockstar Hydrating Shine lipstick. Enjoy. And that's the finished look. The glow is definitely there. They're not lying about this. You guys, I forgot to use the brushes. Sorry. Why I didn't use brushes? Oh well. At least I use a makeup, right? Happens to everyone. If only you would see how many brushes I have in front of me, that would make sense. Probably. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm always super honest, and those brushes is just not the ones that I would go for usually. Okay, the eyeshadow palette, bomb. Highly recommend, definitely. Oh my god, super pigmented, super pigmented. Zero fallouts. Absolute zero. You guys seen it? And I took a fluffy brush and I was blending, therefore that creates, you know, a dust around. Nothing. No fallouts. Amazing. Highly recommend. Get your hands on this. This Goddess Glow Shimmer Brick. I have a shade Sublime. Once again, absolutely amazing. You can contour with this as well if you just want an extra shimmer. Yeah, highly recommend. This looks amazing. Extra pigmented. Once again, a little goes a lot, so this will last you forever. And it's just so beautiful, and you have a handy mirror as well. The same with the eyeshadow palette. So Goddess Glow Cream Highlighter is extremely pigmented, and then I say extremely, I mean it's super pigmented. Little goes a lot. What I like about it, and this little leaflet that I have, that they say that it has a vitamin E and jojoba oil to moisturize your skin, to nourish and keep your skin healthy, which is amazing. We love good ingredients in a makeup, isn't it? Lip oil, you guys. Lip oil. I love a good lippy. Like, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know how much I appreciate a good lip moment. This is just amazing. Feels amazing on the lips. I still have this under the lipstick and it looks amazing. My lipstick doesn't bleed or anything, just my lips feels extremely moisturized. For products that I tried, humongous thumbs up. Highly recommend. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if I should do more videos like this, like reviewing the collections or one brand makeup tutorials and so on. More reviews, more tutorials. If you found this video helpful and enjoy watching us, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more very important part. Let me know if you tried anything from this collection yet or what you would like to try, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have a superb day, guys. Ciao for now. Bye.